Hello everyone, my name is Hannah Condritz and this is my class introduction for EDT 703. First, I'll tell you a little bit about my family. My husband and I have been married for 3 years and we have two sons, Cash who just turned 12 and Parker who is 7. Cash goes to Muscle Shoals. He'll be going to Muscle Shoals Middle School, and Parker is going to Brooks Elementary. And we also have a golden doodle named Moose. A little about my education. I graduated with my bachelor's degree in elementary education from Athens State University in 2013. And then I earned my master's degree in elementary education from the University of North Alabama in 2019. I just finished that up in December, and I'm currently working toward my education specialist degree in elementary education. My current employment, I teach English Language Arts at Hibbett Middle School for the Florence City School System, and I have taught English Language Arts for the past 5 years, and I will be starting my 6th year in the same position this fall. And a little about my interests. My family and I, we love spending time outside, especially on the creek during quarantine. That's kind of been our getaway, where we can go on the weekends and get out of the house. And then my husband and I also love to travel when we're not working on home improvement projects. So I'm excited to learn more about technology in this class. And that's it.